Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and right now we're doing a short update on Cardano and what's happening. Right now minus 3.37%, give or take. It's not that big of a drop, but it's some kind of pullback, and like everything else it's in the red as well. So we're gonna do a short update and see what's actually happening and show you that this is a perfectly fine pullback. No worries at all. Let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, and see what's actually happening here. So as you can see yesterday, this is a previous day. After, first of all, we had the bottoming out here, and we had this very nice green candle that went above the 10 and the 50 moving average, 50 being the yellow. And then yesterday we actually managed to get above the 20 moving average, that's the red line, and close above it. Now that was very bullish. Unfortunately today we are looking like we are falling through it on the downside, but we still got like 13-14 hours left to stay above the 20 moving average, so right now no problem. Even if we close below the 20 moving average, it wouldn't be the optimal optimal setup, but it's no problem still. As long as we keep above the white line, that's the 10 moving average, I think we're all good. So we still got some way to go, go down in case we go down. Also we got a 50 moving average right here at 1.2 that can actually hold, and there are all other kinds of supports we can actually hold, but we are looking to do upside. So why did we stop here? Why is everything pulling back? So let's pull us some nice lines over here. I'm going to show you that this 1.31 line is actually the one that's actually stopping us kinda, and of course the wedge. I'm gonna talk about wedge, but let's first talk about the 131. That's the weekly top over here. Close, not the top is up here, but the close is weekly close, highest close, that's up here, and that's actually the 131 line that's stopping us. That's also the same thing on the daily. It creates exactly same level at 131 on the daily. So right now 131 is important level to cross, and that's actually a resistance that we are hitting. So when you have these kind of moves, like big moves, how many moves that's on the Cardano? That's or 20% move, and you go 20% in 2 days, and then you hit some kind of resistance. Probability is that you're gonna have some kind of pullback on that resistance, just to let the moving averages pick up and push you above the on the upside. Not only that, we are also having the resistance, having this being this rising wedge up here. We're trying to get back in the rising wedge, and that'd be best case scenario. If we could get into the rising wedge and continue to the upside, we will do that eventually, but right now we are rejecting it here because we actually just went up too fast. Let's see a little bit more on the technical side, what's actually happening. Is there any problems with the technicals? RSI is actually where it should be, around 50 levels. The MACD, we are waiting for this bullish cross. Bullish cross is when the blue line crosses this orange line to the upside, and then you get these nice green histograms. That's what we're waiting for, and that might actually also be a signal for the people waiting for that signal to get into the game. And once that happens, that might actually be enough to push us above this resistance up here, all the way inside this rising wedge. That's because that's the gameplay right now. The first move was actually getting above these moving averages, right? And we did that. The second move should be getting inside the rising wedge, and the third move should be getting outside of the rising wedge on the other side. So we got 3 moves that actually we are waiting for to happen, but it cannot go in just one or green candle after green candle. You have to have some of these red candles on the way up, right? You have to have some of the red candles, especially when you are going through this climbing period right now. Right now we are going through this climbing period through a lot of resistances up here. So of course there will be some kind of pullbacks and some kind of stops on the way and something like that. But right now there is actually no problem with Cardano. Even on the weekly chart we are sitting nicely back above the 10 moving average. The RSI, the MACD, everything looks as it should be looking. So small pullback on the way to the moon, that's to be expected. Now Doge is going faster to the moon than us, because you know Doge has Elon Musk, Cardano doesn't has Elon Musk. Cardano has Charles, you know. What you gonna do? Anyway, short nice video. Kinda don't feeling like making long videos today, so you know. Anyway, subscribe channel, is gonna be a new update tomorrow about Cardano, preferably a lot more excitement, and when everything is in green and stuff like that. So do check that out. Also check down the links below for the Patreon, for the Telegram group. We got all this community going on around here. So do join us. Telegram group is quite nice, people chatting about stuff. Right now the Elon Musk and Dodge is a pretty big thing. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.